The executive chairman of Nigerian Capital Development Fund (NCDF), Hareta Babatunde Oralusi, don praise Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo for the way he don carry the state development matter serious since him assume office. NCDF na one body wey focus on impact investing wey dey help promote sustainable economic growth and development for Naija. The organisation dey try build better business ecosystem wey go fit empower communities and businesses for the whole country. The NCDF leadership led by Hareta Babatunde Oralusi come visit Edo State to pay courtesy call to Governor Okpebholo for Government House Benin City for them to sit down and talk with the governor to look for ways when the NCDF fit work with Edo State government to develop the state better. After the meeting, Hareta Babatunde Oralusi for in talk with Tori people come praise Governor Okpebholo for the quick way in don start the development of the state. Say NCDF don dey observe the governor and dem don notice say Okpebholo dey go personally do check on top all the major projects, and say this kind action don give them and their investors better confidence to support Edo State for faster development. Oralusi also talk say NCDF ready gidigba to collabo with the Edo State government to help grow the state economy. Say im get good hope for the future of Edo State sake of the governor's vision and dedication to make the state better.
I work as the chairman of Nigerian Capital Development Fund (NCDF). We are impact investing institution. We invest for financial return and social impact in communities. We are here to visit His Excellency, the State Governor, who we see the level of seriousness and his intention to develop the state. We've been monitoring what's going on in the state, and in the shortest time that he has assumed the office of as a governor, we've seen him going to the site, we've seen him inspecting project himself, and that gives us confidence and give our investors confidence, give a lot of people confidence that this person really wants development. So I have Ken here who arrived from United Kingdom, and Nicholas, also member of NCDF, who also arrived from United Kingdom because of this meeting, to sit down with the governor and see how does NCDF come in to support the government in accelerating the development of Edo State. The governor is well enlightened. The governor really understands what we're talking about. In fact, he told us about his plan in supporting startups, developing startup companies in Edo State, which align with his goal. So he assures of maximum cooperation immediately, and whatever we need, the state government will provide for the execution of the project. We are hoping that as soon as possible we are able to start the construction of the 50 megawatt solar energy plant in Edo State, which will serve the public institutions. And also we are hoping to start the startup programs, which we're going to be having, likely having a summit in Edo State towards the end of the year. And we are hoping that over 1,000 startup companies will be supported in Edo State, particularly the young people, and they will also become the employer of labor, and they will also be able to pay taxes from their businesses, which will be really a big milestone for His Excellency. We also discussed about developing Edo State's creative sector. You know, as you know, Benin City is an Asian city with a lot of opportunity to attract investments, and that's a very good area where we are discussing with Excellency. We have proposed to him a roadshow to England, and we have also proposed to him a roadshow to United States, where they can sit down with other with investors and development partners in this sector to discuss opportunity of taking Edo State to the world, particularly Benin City. Those are the things we discussed. That's what
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Government House Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.